Sobrang kahihiyan yun, guys. Naglinya ka na. Ang daming tao. Ay, buruf! I can fry! What's in your mouth? You cannot go out if you don't wanna put that bone down. Napagitnaan namin yung babae. So yun, alam niyo yung babae yun.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Look at this one right here. Nag-i-edit ako dito, guys. Pero itong isa dito talaga, guys. Nakipag-share sa laptop ko, guys. Bag. Bag, camera bag. Audrey, nagpa-close-close sa eyes man na. Si bye-bye. Si bye-bye na. Because you cannot be in my laptop. Mama need to make a thumbnail, okay? Mama need to make a thumbnail. Suotin natin ulit itong sweater na sinuot ko kahapon. Yep, guys. Pabalik-balik. Kasi andito lang ako sa bahay. Tumawag na si Mister. Tumawag na yung Mister Ata. Hello?
Yeah.
Hi.
What you doing?
Upstairs. Try to charge my laptop and then avoid Roxy.
Okay, Rocky.
Yeah.
Or Rocky.
Hard hit.
Like you think you won't think you're gonna wake up one day and she won't be a dog anymore.
Why?
I don't know, because you expect something better out of her.
Because she just keep, you know, she when you said there's nothing, she just growl for nothing and she's facing outside that there's something. And then when you say stop, she just.
You have to understand something. Dogs have way better hearing than you have. She may hear things you don't hear.
No.
So you say it's nothing, but the idea is tell her quiet.
No, she doesn't listen.
I find it only really works if I tell her before I open the door. After she's barking, it don't work anymore.
What's going on with you, my love?
Well, I'm having my coffee. I heat up a spare in a pot because I have no microwave. Having some cucumbers. That's it.
Oh, you still have your macaroni salad there?
Yeah.
Good.
But I have a cucumber salad instead. And don't be avoiding your daughter.
No, I need to do my video there. Hub's also sitting down in the armrest close to my laptop and just like I can't do nothing. It's like supposedly it's a nice one and then you become like not good.
That'll be gone. So that's what I'll do. I'll make my coffee. I'll clean the pot. I'll put a bit of spare rib. I'll cut some onion and put the salad. You're not watching Fun by Angel on see that?
No. Hi guys. Ano ng oras? Tapon ko pala yung basura. Ano ng oras? Mga 10 something na. Nabisi lang ako sa taas kasi meron akong binili online sa asawa ko na kaarawan niya. Baka nanonood siya sa vlog. So, tagal-order natin. Kaarawan niya kasi mga few weeks from now. Mga malapit na. And kailangan kong mag-order kasi gusto kong i-surprise siya sa kaarawan niya. Hindi niya ito in-expect. Simple lang naman ito, guys. Simple na kaligayahan lang. Pero gusto kong gawin para sa my baby. Ginagamit ko yung ibang card ko. Yung ibang card ko ginagamit ko. Ini-split ko yung payment. Anyway, guys. So, let's see kung okay ba to. Ito na lang. Mali na naman itong nilagay-lagay ko dito. Ang gonna tell me, expired na pala itong card ko this month. Hala, expired na, uy. Expired na. Kasi butin lang, hindi ako umalis. Expired na pala yan. Ito na lang isa. Sabihin ko kay Tami kasi ano yan, yun yung gamit ko palagi kapag mag-grocery ako. Yeah! Done! Tapos na akong nag-order. First time ko tong ginawa. First time ko tong ginawa kasi usually hindi ako nag-purchase ng mga ganito kasi si Tami yun. Pero this time ako yung nag-purchase ng ganito para kasi magagamit kasi niya yun. And then also basta makikita ninyo yan this coming birthday of Tami. And yun. Pero may problema tayo yung ano ko na-expire na pala. Last month pa palang na-expired. I'm gonna tell Tami. I'm gonna talk to Tami. Let me call him. Hold on. Kasi share kasi kami ng, ano, pareha kami. Iyalan yung ngalan ko, pero pareha kami. Hold on. Ay, sinabi ko kay Tami, yung balita tungkol sa, ano ko, credit card ko. Siya na, gusto niya akong tumawag, pero gusto ko rin siya yung tumawag kasi under, ano ko sa kanya, under his, ano, account, and ang gusto ko rin ipa-change yung ano, address kasi yung address andun pa rin sa isang bahay. So, andun pa rin yung address sa isang bahay. So, sabi ko sa kanya, i-change mo para dito na talaga. Kasi baka, nagpadala sila, kasi usually yung credit card, magpadala sila ng replacement ahead of time. Pero hindi, sabi pa, pero parang hindi kami namalayan, baka nawala. So, kailangan i-cancel. Si Tami na yung bahala. Buti na lang hindi ako pumunta lagi sa tindahan, guys. Kasi na, mahihiya talaga na. Sobrang kahihiyan yun, guys. Naglinya ka na. Ang daming tao. And then, dami mong binili. And then, palaga yung card mo is... Diba? Hindi ko pa yan na-experience. Pero nakakahiya talaga yung ganun. Yung maraming sumusunod sa'yo. And then, akala mo okay. Yung ano mo. Pero, yun pala, expired talaga yung green card mo. Green card. Credit card. Tignan nga natin itong ano, guys. Tignan natin itong ay lagyan natin ng ano, yung kasi guys yung unstoppable na nilagay ko dito. Unti-unti siyang mawawala. I think good for 2 days. Lagyan mo lang siya ng kaunti at saka extra tubig. Kunti lang talaga yung ilagay ko, guys, kasi sayang naman, di ba? Matagal itong matapos ba kasi kunti-kunti lang yung nilagay ko. And then, lagyan ng tubig. Yan. Yan. Para hindi siya ma-dry out. Hala, ay, mahangin-hangin din sa labas. Diba, gumawa ako ng pang-spray. Yun lang siya. I-ano mo lang siya doon. Mag-spray tayo kasi para presko. Kailangan ko itong labhan. Ito din. Ito din kasi laba tayo ng laba, di ba? Wala tayong ginagawa kundi linis-linis. Natawa ako sa, I think nakita na ninyo yun, yung video na kami ni Tami nung andun kami sa bridge. Yung in-insert ko na kanta, nakita ko lang yan sa YouTube, guys. Ang saya-saya. Gusto hanggang ngayon, nandito pa sa isip ko, yung I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly the sky. The sky. You have to put that bone down that we can go out. You have to put that bone down. What's in your mouth? I don't want that outside. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? You cannot go out if you don't want to put that bone down. What's in your mouth? You're gonna sneak that out? Are you gonna sneak it out? You cannot bring it out. You have to put it down. Or else we're not going out. Put that bone. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tinago yung bone sa bibig. Akala niya hindi ko alam. You have to put that bone down. Down, bones. Okay, I wanna go out. Put that bone down. Go out, Misty. You cannot go out. You have to put that bone down. Don't give me that weird look. Down. Roxy, you're listening to Mama. Put that bone down. Put it down. Good girl. Okay, let's go out. No. Put that down. Kawawa. Pero ayaw ko, guys. Put that bone down. You have to put that bone down. Come here, Misty. Come, Misty. Come here, Misty. Come in. Come. You cannot go out if you don't want to put that bone down. You cannot bring bones out. Okay? Bye-bye. No, put the bone down. You have to put that bone down. Put down that in your mouth. I see that. You hide it really good. Put that. You want me to take it out? You want me to take it out? Put that bone down. You cannot go out. Bye. We're gonna be right back. Ginoo ko ning asuha. Tinago sa bibig. Akala mo hindi ko alam. Put it down. You cannot do that out there. Or else, when you get in, you don't have a bone. When you get in, you don't have a bone. Because you bring it out. You have to put it down. Be a good girl. No. Give me that bone. Give me that bone. Give me the bone. Put that bone down. Okay. Do you still have that bones in your mouth? You still have it. You still have it. You still have it. Okay, Misty, go inside, Misty. You're such a weird dog, Rox. You're such a weird dog. Yes, you are. It's cold, so it's time to... Yes, guys. Ang ginaw ng panahon. So, ngayon, guys, maglalaba tayo ng bedsheets. Yan, labahan na natin to. 1 week na. Nag-jacket na naman ako, guys. May nagsabi sa inyo na pabalik-balik yung damit ko. Guys, yes. Talagang pabalik-balik ang damit. Hindi ko nalabhan itong skirt. Itong skirt dito, hindi ko na yan labhan. Kasi hindi naman yan madumi. Skirt lang naman yan. So, andito lang sa ibabaw. Ito din, hindi ko siya labhan kasi talagang hindi naman dapat ito labhan palagi. Okay naman ito siya. Mamaya na yung pilo. Mamaya na yan. Yun. So, yan. Nila. So, tignan mo yan, guys. Oh, hindi ako makaano. So, story time tayo. Naalala ba ninyo yung TV Holden, guys? Naalala niyo yung vlog, guys, a few days ago, noong namasyal kami kasama yung kaibigan. Actually, yung babaeng yon, yung kasama namin, hindi siya kaibigan ni Tammy or kaibigan talaga siya ng sister nila nung yung nawala. So, kaibigan talaga siya for, I think, high school life. Story time tayo, guys. Hindi ko talaga siya na vlog. Kasi ito yung nangyari. Di ba nag-start na siya ng awkward nung ginanon niya yung buhok ni Tammy. Natawa na lang ako, pero si Tammy na-awkwardan siya. At ako din, para akong, ako yun. Ganon yung feeling ko. Pero guys, alam nyo ba? So, naglakad kami. Kasama namin yung sister namin, ni sister-in-law ko, yung sister ni Tammy, kasi nagtagpo kami sa gitna. So yun, nag-usap-usap, ganon. Yung time na naghiwalay na kami, yung sister-in-law ko, umalis na sa kanya, at kami namang tatlo paalis. Kasi ihatid namin siya sa airport. So, ang nangyari, story time lang kasi, guys, na awkward, as in, guys, very awkward moment yung life namin ni Tammy na, yung time na yun. Doon ako sa railing. So, doon ako sa railing, malapit sa railing. Naglakad kami tatlo. Kasi nag-straight kami, tatlo ba? Pero doon ako, yung babae yung nasa gitna, si Tammy, napagitnaan namin yung babae. So, yun, alam nyo yung babae yun, nag-holding hands sila, yung ganun talaga. Hinolding hands niya si Tammy. Kinuha niya yung kamay ni Tammy. At ako, oh my Lord. Na ano na lang ako. Bahala na hindi naman yan dito palagi yung babaeng yun. Malayo naman yan siya. So, kinuha niya yung kamay ni Tammy. Hinolding hand niya. Ganon talaga eh. So, yung parang lovers in Paris. Yung ganon. So, ako, para akong yung mata ko, ganon. At saka, wala lang. So, naglakad kami. And then, yung ang nasa isip ko, Ginoo ko, asawa ko man ito, dapat ako yung naka-holding hands sa kanya kasi ako yung asawa at iba babae yung nag-holding hands. So, ganito pa talaga, yung parang ganon pa. Ano bang wala naman yan. Parang wala naman yan sa babae. Parang wala lang sa kanya talaga ba, yung friendly. Naintindihan ko yun, pero ako, na-awkward ako. And then, yung time na yun, ang nasa isip ko, hindi ko pala alam na si Tami din na-awkwardan na di ay na pala. So, yung ang nasa isip ko, ano pa yan? Gusto kong mag-vlog, gusto ko i-vlog ba? Gusto kong tumakbo sa unahan, and then i-vlog ko silang dalawa, ganun. And then sa isip ko, halo, gawin ko yung parang mas awkward na talaga kasi ako binivideohan ko sila para ano ba sila ibang babae ni Tami. ganun ba, gusto kong picturean, gusto kong videohan, ganun para ako natulala ako, pero gusto ko talagang i-video. Na awkward ako guys kasi at alam niyo ba guys, andito na yung bread natin, kakain tayo sa ibang, nalubat din ako yung mga tao talagang nakatingin sa aming tatlo. May dalawang tao na may raming uban, puti ng buhok. Silang dalawa, si Tami at saka yung babae, puti na yung buhok. And then, meron silang Asian girl. Ako yun. Parang nag-adapt. Alam nyo guys, so yun na yung story na yan. So, hinatid na namin siya sa airport. And then yun. And then, nag-usap kami ni Tami. Natawa ako kasi si Tami talaga yung nag-open up. Sabi pa niya na-notice ko ba daw yung nangyari sa bridge na ang mga tao tumitingin sa amin. Sabi ko, natawa ako, sabi ko talaga kay Tami, hindi ko nagustuhan, ako dapat yung nakaholdingan sa'yo. Sabi ko kay Tami, ako dapat yung nakaholdingan sa'yo, pero siya yung nakaholdingan. And then, natawa si Tami, sabi pa niya na awkward daw siya, at saka, friendly lang daw talaga yun. Sabi ko, naintindihan ko naman yun, pero dapat ako yung nakaholdingan sa'yo. Ang na-notice talaga ni Tami, yung mga tao nakakatingin talaga sa aming tatlo. Na-awkwardan din pala si Tamimoy ko. Para siyang pandesal, guys. Yung Hawaiian bread. Kung naghanap kayo ng pandesal sa inyo, and then wala, Hawaiian bread, guys. Watching the news about Backstreet Boys. It gives me goosebumps. You stay there. You stay. Mama's going to put something. Kasi guys, Backstreet Boys has been back for a while already. They're in Las Vegas. And, oh my god, you know what? Backstreet Boys, I grew up with them singing their song, dancing with their song. I have this songbook. This is what I do when I was in high school and elementary. I have a songbook. It's mostly Backstreet Boys, A1. Marami pa. Pero guys, with the chord, because the guitar. And then every time the Backstreet Boys song, I remember every time it's played on the radio. Because every Sunday, remember, in the Philippines, music, and at night love song like that. And yeah, I remember doing that. And then when Backstreet Boys have that like rock song, mapasayaw ka talaga. And I'm having goosebumps watching the news right now. They have this world tour and sold out yung mga ticket nila. Larger than life. Anyway guys, tapos ko naligo. Kuha lang tayo ng malagay natin sa tawag nito sa bed natin. Bagong labayan. And pasensya na kayo, wala akong bre bigel. Okay, tapos na tayo. Maganda naman siya, di ba? Ano lang siya? Purple na may pagkamaroon. Yun. Gusto ko yung ganito, may skirt at saka may damit ba. Yung ano, pag matutulog, kunin lang siya ilagay, balik. Mabi, kay biyanan yan guys. Bibili ako ng ganito. Iwan ko kung anong size nito. Tignan ko to bago ako magpunta ng Walmart. Ngayon, hindi muna ako makapunta ng Walmart guys. Kasi yung credit card nga. Kasi yung credit card nga natin, di ba? Hindi siya okay. Pero si Tami tumawag this morning. May napadala pala yung credit card company, yung Amex. Nag-i-edit ako dito guys. And then, yung naririnig ko is iyak ng iyak. Ay nako! What is that? Dimples, ha? Tingnan nyo. Umiyak and then alis. Huy! Dimples! Dimples! Why you crying? Why you are crying? You're hungry? Oh, are you hungry? Dear? Are you hungry, dear? Dimplord! Hungry? Are you hungry, baby? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo itong tatlo. Where is your brother? Where is your brother, ha? Tingnan nyo. Gutom yan, guys. Gutom. Hello. Hello, Misty. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. You guys want some bunsi? Tingnan nyo, Misty. Want some bunsi? Tingnan nyo, Misty. Ang saya. Want some bunsi? Want some bunsi? Bunsi. Want some bunsi? Want bunsi? Oh, bunsi. Let's go get some bunsi. Hello. Let's go bunsi. Bunsi. Let's go get some bunsi. She loves spoons, guys. Ay, nako, kaloka itong mga tauhana to. Mga alaga ko, guys. Nakaloka-loki. Si Dimples muna yung pakainin natin kasi gutom.